In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currency in WP Travel Engine Free. Let's dive right in. The first thing you'll want to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your website, and it's where you'll find all of your settings and tools. Once you've logged in, your next move is to navigate to the navigation menu found on the left side of your screen. From there, you're going to look for the WP Travel Engine plugin. It's crucial to know where your plugins are located as they extend the functionality of your site, making tasks like adding currencies a breeze. Click on WP Travel Engine, then proceed to open the settings menu, and under that, head over to General. This is where most of your basic site configurations are adjusted, and it's essential to ensure everything is set up correctly. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Currency Settings. This area handles everything related to monetary formatting on your travel site, ensuring it aligns with your needs or the preferences of your market. Once you're in the currency settings, look for the drop-down menu which displays a slew of currency options, such as USD, EUR, or PHP. Select your preferred currency from this drop-down. This choice reflects what currency your website will display, so it's wise to base this on where most of your audience is located or the major market you cater to. Next, you have a few optional adjustments. These allow for greater customization, fitting precisely what suits your website's needs. Consider setting the currency position, which determines if the symbol will appear before or after the amount. This may seem minor, but it's helpful to match cultural or regional preferences for displaying prices. Additionally, you can adjust your decimal separator. Perhaps your site